Reverend Mother Rory Odamo sa kanyang pangunguna sa ating hearing mass. Sinasasalamatan din ng inyong kapanalig sinipilan ang ating mga mass sponsors, donors at Eucharistic advocates. Sinasani Cohen Family, Mercedes and Miguel Ali Ramos and Family, Nancy Rose Medo, Celso and Tosima Campana, Lilia and Lydia Tansinki, Marilyn Alarida and Family, Zenaida Pascual, Jenny Canlas and Family, Emelita Desu, Edita Vicente and Family, Itagani Tan and Family, Beverly Sanchuan Family, Lourdes Yorogib and Family, Lucila Hernandez Quiros, Wrestling College of the Philippines, Zeus Perla and Family, LRT Decor Products and Family, Evi Ledesma and Children, Cecil Kiko Bautista and Family, Alfredo Maygoyo and Family, Francisco and Evangelina Pablo and Family, Frank and Teddy Magbo and Family, Edwin and Joseph and Picata and Family, Doria Espiritu, Erlinda Magias and Family, Alicia Magias, Malin Catherine Magias, Maria Carla Magias, Maynard Magias, Krishna Magias, Hilario and Dalinjan and Family, Carmen Pandilo and Family, Bernardo and Chico Katigbak, Marina Donato and Family, Maria Rosario Manaling and Family, Isabel Tanasado and Family, Angel Carmencita and Dorothy Tongko, Melvin and Ellen Atendido and Family, Elizabeth Javier, Norma Caprobet and Family, Paolo and Arda Santos and Family, Flores de los Santos Culache and Family, Imelda Watson Umali and Family, Mona and Ranela Alba and Family, Reynaldo and Aurora de los Reyes, Doctora Melissa Campos Cruz and Family, Rustica Mercado and Family, Rogelio Mercado and Family, Rodolfo Mercado and Family, Emilio Yander Mercado, Leticia Parbong Palauri and Family, Tita Parbong Portamalan and Family, Annabel and Jose Bora Jr. and Family, Teresita and Donald Joseph Reyes, Lord Juan and Family, Bernita Monte, Eduardo and Maria Lourdes Sicat and Family, Edmar and Sicat and Family, Arnold Sicat and Sicat and Family, Beman Drogdo and Delma Mangiliman, Malvar, Christina Carmen Garde and Family, Desma Luway Ato, Doctora Chodora Tan and Family, Jimmy Coyoca Reyes and Family, Lorna Ducante Coyoca and Family, Marlon and Irene Duque, Maria Jelly Pascual, Zoe Marie Pascual, Nathaniel Pascual, Marie Cristina Garilla, Rodriguito and Janet Manalo and Family, Ceci Ting and Family, Ate Montaliana and Family, Teresita Arellano and Family, Mitch Abundo and Family, Elerny Siringan Acorda and Family, Kundelina Manzana and Family, Elmer Ararakap, Atanasia del Rosario, Ambrose de Maisip, Maria Cristina Pascual, Marcela Supan, Carlo Digna Francisco Reyes, Sister Rina Valencia Hidalgo, Sonia Ocampo and Daisy Rafal, Jose Eli Sonny Honrado, Alexis Lito and Family, Clarence Rolin Eleanor Ferry and Family, Helen Calixto Cainti, Gloria Turla Valbuena, Beatriza Magdalena, Eduardo Hermalino, Lisa Nova and Family, Kapatid Cruz and Family, Antonio Santiago Hernandez and Family, Bernardo Edestanita Sacorda and Family, Concepcion Manalang and Family, Josephine Talangtang and Family, Ferdy Cora Eman Bernardo and Family, Rafaela Magpantay and Family, Ramon and Loretta Villanueva, Christy Francisco and Family, Francisco Sulang Makati, Leo Nerian Paranpan and Family, Cecilia Puno and Family, Evangeline Palitan and Family, Zoe Elizabeth Sales and Aika, Princess Clarence and SJA, Maureen Rose, Patricia Valera and Family, Susan Grace and Dolly Echeverria, Marina Sale, Concepcion Morales, Justina Simon, Sonora de la Rosa, Alex Anthony Manuel and Family, Elisa Chuban, Vicente and Nancy, Maricel and Heinz, Helen and Susan Katakutan, Kamangon, Borlongan, Lucenio, Bautista and Family, Tayo Chemicals and Services Incorporated, Jesse and Lawrence Guapoco and Family, Rodora de la Pastores, Artiliva and Paginaro and Family, Leopoldo Montalban Jr. and Family, Dr. Meli and Donato del Piero and Family, Harvey Cruz, Engineer Renato and Dolly de Guzman and Family, Sabrina O. Manuel and Family, Leonardo and Emerita Rivera, Delia and Lea Iba, Maria Soledad Peralta and Family, Christian Sonoeda, Corazon del Valle and Family, Susan Cadi and Family, Victor and Minang Morales, Norma Henunangan, Carmelita Howe, Roland and Evelyn Campo Cabangon, Chona Punanan and Family, Gigi and Jo Marie Katipay, Hermie